Tuesday with Stefan. Stefan here. Today is Tuesday, so you are with me. Yes, Tuesday with Stefan. Let's unbox this bad boy. What we have here? So we have Philips SYGTECH wet and dry electric shaver. I hope you can see it properly. Yes, so this is series 5050. I get it a couple of days ago because my current Philips electric shaver is just gone. The battery doesn't keep. So this is gonna be just normal video. So if you're looking for new Philips electric shaver, maybe stick to the video today and you'll see if this is gonna be good. We'll do unboxing and let me know if you wanna see just testing. So no one wants to see that, but let me know in the comments down below if this is interesting for you. I can do some tests to see how it works. So let's go to the unboxing now. So this is Philips SYGTECH 5050. So let's quick look at the information. So 8 hours charge time, 30 minutes of usage. That's pretty good actually. Very comfortable. The blades are very good. So we'll see if this is gonna work. So you have a couple of indications here. So if the battery is charged, also it's a smart click, comes with adjustable edition of this smart click option. So okay, so let's unbox it and see if it's good enough. So yeah, this is Tuesday with Stefan. Okay, I got this bad boy from local Argos. Black Friday deal was 49. Currently in the website it's 54.99. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna put all the prices and the links in the description down below. Okay, so if you like the show, you know what to do. Like or subscribe if you want to support the channel. If you don't like the video, just you know what to do. But if you do, if you want to support me, subscribe and like the video. Okay, so let's unbox the SYGTECH Philips 5050 electric shaver. So let's see what's in the box actually, because I want to see what's in the box. So let's crack this open and let's see if it's good enough, because Philips, they have a good reputation of electric shavers, not just shavers, basically everything that they do basically is pretty good. I opened this very not gentle, but it is what it is. Okay, so let's see what's in the box now. So you have your books and just information of other products that Philips they do. Also, wow, that's a quite long manual, should I say. No one doesn't read that. Also you have Philips series 5000. Here all the series. There's a book as well. There's a more paper. Also you have, oh, and look, 1 extra year of warranty. So they give you additional extra year of warranty. I think the warranty is 1 year if I'm not wrong. Let me know how many people use so far electric shaver, because I'm interested to see how many people using just normal blade or electric shaver, because it's gonna be interesting to see. I'm using electric shaver Philips since nearly 5 years, so super happy with that. What else we have in the box? So this is the smart clip. This is for your sideburns, as you can see, this is pretty cool. I don't use that usually when I go to have my supercut. We don't have a supercut in UK, but I think we do. I think we don't. When I do my supercuts in my local barber shop, Usually he looks off my sideburns, but probably I'm not gonna use that. But it's a good touch to have this in the box. What else we have here? I'm gonna put this in the side. So we have the charger. The charger is 2-pin electric. So this charger is for your bathroom. It's 2-pin Philips one. It's with, as you can see. So if you want to charge this, let's say here, anywhere, we need the adapter. And this is the shaver. This model has been on the market for at least 4 or 5 years, and still the price is pretty good. I'm gonna leave this on the side just to see. Okay, so they give you additional clip to protect it when you travel. It's pretty good actually. And actual electric shaver from Philips Aqua Touch. It's something that many people probably don't know. This part here moves up and down, so it's gonna give you much better way, and it's gonna be much comfortable. So let's see if there's any juice. I don't think there's gonna be any juice, but let's see. Yeah, there's no power. There's a red light. So I'm gonna test it. And if you're interested to see if this is good, let me know in the comments down below. Probably gonna do a second video. Just is gonna be like just thoughts and a review if this is good or if it's not good. My name is Stefan. This was Tuesday with Stefan. So if you want to support me, subscribe, like, and if you enjoy the content, I'll see you next time. This is Stefan.